Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making lime sorbet with vodka. This sorbet is like a cold limoncello and is served at the end of dinner. Whether you serve seafood or meat, this smooth, tangy and citrus sorbet will leave a fresh and clean taste in your mouth. In Italy, it is also served during the meal between seafood and meat courses, as it cleanses the palate so guests can enjoy the next serving. The vodka is optional, but it will prevent the sorbet from forming solid ice when stored in the freezer. You only need 4 ingredients. The quantities are in the description below. Grate the zest from 2 limes. Squeeze the limes with an electric juicer or by hand. Filter the juice to remove seeds and solid particles. Mix all the ingredients together. The sugar should dissolve easily, as we are not using a large amount. Pour them into the ice cream machine. Let it run until the sorbet is ready. Scoop it into a glass or store in the freezer. Decorate with some mint leaves and serve. For more digestive recipes, see the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Yes, let's do this.